Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Verizon LTE network extender not working. So here's a guide for your activation, GPS, internet, and lights. Fix 1. Check the status light. Make sure the power, GPS, and WAN or internet lights are on. A blinking or red light usually indicates a connection problem. Fix 2. Restart the extender. Unplug the power cord, wait for 30 seconds, plug it back in. Allow up to 30 minutes for startup and activation. Fix 3. Verify your internet connection. The extender requires a stable broadband internet connection. Restart your modem and router. Confirm other devices can access the internet. Fix 4. Check the Ethernet cable. Ensure the Ethernet cable is securely connected between the extender and the router. Try a different Ethernet cable if available. Fix 5. Improve GPS signal. Place the extender near a window. Avoid basements and areas blocked by concrete or metal. GPS lock may take over several minutes to complete. Fix 6. Confirm Verizon activation. Sign into your Verizon account and verify the extender is activated on the correct account. If recently installed, activation can take some more time. Fix 7. Disable VPNs or strict firewall rules. Some network configurations can block the extender's connection to Verizon's servers. Temporarily disable VPNs and test again. Fix 8. Perform a factory reset. Locate the reset button, press and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Wait for the extender to reboot and reactivate. Fix 9. Check for outages. Verify there are no internet service interruptions in your area. If your internet is down, the extender will not function. If phone still won't connect, you need to turn airplane mode on and off on your phone. Restart the phone. Make sure the phone supports Verizon LTE and is provisioned correctly on your account. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.